Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Lengthy emails. We've all received them. Those monster messages that drain your time and focus. But there is a better way. The 4-bullet email update. This powerful framework streamlines communication and boosts both your and your recipient's productivity. Here's the recipe. Bullet 1. Here's what you asked me to do. Start by clearly reminding the recipient of the task at hand. This sets context and ensures everyone's on the same page. Bullet number 2. Here's what I did. Briefly explain the progress you've made. Be clear and concise, focusing on the most relevant information. Bullet number 3. Here are the risks or blockers, if any. Are you facing any roadblocks or potential risks? Briefly mention them and propose solutions. And bullet number 4, if given more time, I'd do this. Do you need further resources or time to complete the task? If yes, let the recipient know what additional support you need. Be specific. If no, you don't need any more assistance and the task is complete, let them know and where to find it on a drive or if it's attached to the email. This clear, concise structure ensures everyone's informed and avoids unnecessary back and forth emails. And there's research to show brevity boosts productivity. A study titled The Attention Inbox Towards Reducing Email Information Overload, published in the Proceedings of the SIG-CHI Conference on Human Factors in Computing Systems, investigated the impact of email overload on information processing and task completion. The findings showed that participants spent a significant amount of time searching for and reading lengthy emails. The study suggests that concise and well-structured emails can improve information retrieval and reduce wasted time. Ready to craft your 4-point bullet email updates? Remember, be clear and concise. Every bullet point should be easily digestible. Focus on outcomes. Highlight the progress made. And proofread before sending. A polished email makes you look professional. By adopting the 4-bullet email update, you can communicate effectively, save time, and boost everyone's productivity. Your move. Hey, thanks so much for listening to the show. Please make sure to click the follow button on your podcast app so you never miss a new episode of the show. And of course, it's free. And don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter at brandoncwhite.com. We'll see you in the next episode.